My name is Rachel Honig, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon and assistant professor at Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist. So I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and I have specialties in orthopedic trauma surgery and hip arthroplasty. My patient care philosophy are that the needs of the patient come first and foremost. And if you're thinking about what the patient needs, what the patient wants, what their family wants and needs, then usually everything comes together pretty well. What I enjoy most about working with patients is getting them through a pretty traumatic experience and getting them to the other side of that and getting to know them on a deeper level, creating that sense of trust, the sense of having someone to go to with their problems, having someone that's helping them get through one of the worst things that's ever happened to them. Something else I want my patients to know about me is that I love my job and I love taking care of them, and I really want them to know that I will do my absolute best to get them the best outcome that they can have.